Welcome to the Lightroom Minute. I'm Michael Aboya, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the difference between texture, clarity, and dehaze in Lightroom. The texture, clarity, and dehaze slider in Lightroom are essentially meant to enhance details in your photos, but they do so in different ways. Now, let's start with texture. Texture increases or decreases the appearance of texture in your image while still retaining details. This tool targets the mid-frequency areas of your images, which is just a fancy way of saying that it only affects the part of your images where there are no lines or edges. It avoids areas in your images where there are fine details. This is a great tool to use if you are trying to smooth someone's skin, because decreasing frequency will smooth skin whilst also leaving a person's eyes and mouth sharp and in focus. With clarity, this tool increases or decreases edge contrast, which means that it really accentuates details in your image. It also has a noticeable effect on luminance and saturation. It's great if you're trying to showcase all the details on a wall or surface, but it's not recommended for portraits. The last slider I want to talk about is Dehaze. Increasing the value on Dehaze slider allows you to remove atmospheric haze in your image and restore color and contrast to a washed out image. Because this slider affects contrast and saturation, you don't want to overdo it. You can also decrease the dehaze slider for the opposite effect. Always zoom in and zoom out to check the accuracy of texture, clarity, and dehaze sliders when using these powerful tools in Lightroom, and try different combination of the sliders for more precise results. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.